Hi there, this is Aude. In today's video, you're going to talk about your pets and learn how to use French adjectives. Ready to step up your French? Let's get started. What's the best way to improve? That's practice. So each time you see this, it's your turn to speak. Let's have a look at what pets you've got at home. Tu as un animal? Oui, j'ai un chien, un chat, un hamster, un lapin, un poisson, un oiseau. Remember guys, in French we've got gender. It means that some words are masculine and some are feminine. The list you've got here, all those words are masculine because they start with un, which is a, masculine. Tu as un animal? Tu as un animal? Your turn. Oui, j'ai un lapin et un hamster. Now, let's have a look at some words which are feminine. Tu as un animal? Oui, j'ai une tortue, une souris, une poule. You see, those ones are preceded with une, which is the feminine article to say a. You could also say that you haven't got any pets. Non, je n'ai pas d'animal. Tu as un animal? Tu as un animal? It's your turn. Oui, j'ai une poule. Now, let's have a look at when you've got more than one pet. Tu as un animal? Oui, j'ai un chien et 2 chats. Oui, j'ai 3 poissons et une tortue. Tu as un animal? Tu as un animal? Your turn. Oui, j'ai un chien et 2 chats. Okay guys, now that you know how to say pets in French, could you please answer the question and tell me how many pets you've got? Please put your answer in the comments below. Tu as un animal? Now you're going to describe your pet using some colors. Il est de quelle couleur? J'ai un chien blanc, un chat noir, un lapin gris, un hamster marron, un poisson rouge. I'm sure you guessed what the question is about. What color is he? Remember, we're using he because those animals are masculine. They're masculine words in French. Okay, guys, let's have a look at those sentences. You can notice that in French, adjectives are put after the word they are describing. So you're not going to say a black dog, you're going to say a dog black. I know it sounds strange, it's just the way French language works. Il est de quelle couleur? Il est de quelle couleur? Il est de quelle couleur? Your turn. J'ai un chat noir. Let's have a look at some more colors. Ton oiseau est de quelle couleur? J'ai un oiseau multicolore. Il est bleu, vert, jaune, rose, orange et violet. Here I said il est, he is, and then I've put colors afterwards. Ton oiseau est de quelle couleur? Your turn. J'ai un oiseau multicolore. Il est bleu, vert, jaune, rose, orange et violet. Okay, the next part is a bit tricky, so please leave your questions and comments below if needed. Adjective in French agree with nouns. So it means if a noun is feminine, the adjective is going to change. Let's have a look at that. Elle est de quelle couleur? J'ai une tortue verte. J'ai une souris noire. J'ai une poule blanche. Okay, let's have a look at all those colors and how they're changing. The first two, orange, marron, never change. So don't worry about those one, guys, because they would never change. The next ones, jaune, rouge, rose, are going to take an S if you're describing more than one pet or more than one thing. Vert, bleu, gris, and noir are going to change a lot. If you've got feminine words, you need to put an extra E at the end of those adjectives. And if you've got a feminine plural word, you'll need to add an extra S. Let's have an example together. J'ai 2 souris noires. Noir is going to be spelled N-O-I-R-E-S because you've got 2 mice. It's a feminine one, so you need an E and an S at the end of this adjective. And the last two are very regular. Violet becomes violette, double T-E. When it's feminine, you just need to add an S if it's more than one. And blanc becomes blanche, H-E for feminine. Elle est de quelle couleur? Elle est de quelle couleur? It's your turn. J'ai une souris noire. Great job! Now you can tell French people about your pets and you can even tell them what color they are. So what's your next step? You can have a look at that playlist for beginners when you can practice, learn some more and become a better speaker. À bientôt!